Southeast side, Alta City of Toronto. 386 meters or 1,000 until it gets to the observation. Start the main observation from you can also go downstairs to the floor. Ready for view from Bridge Elevator. If you wish to go a little higher, you can. $12. If you're ready with service, then you can have yourself
Nice. This actually is looking nicer.
Oh my god, that's so weird.
It's only a lake. This is only a lake.
Yeah. These were interesting.
Oh, look at that! Changing colors, RGB.
We're on the top of the top.
Top of the top? The top
The
of
toppest.
CN Tower.
Toppest ang bobo. Ayan o, iba-ibang
Iba-ibang
color.
kulay. Mamaya na lang tayo sa
Love, love, love. First time ma?
first time.
Weh, baka naman no. Sino kasama mo na?
Pero buhay.
So, nasan ka na naman? Nasa Europe ka pa ba?
I'm in Canada's Europe.
Toronto! Ooh. Love,
Yes?
question.
Yeah.
Is this higher than the Eiffel Tower?
This one?
Yeah?
I don't think so. But it's basically probably same height as, alam mo yung top ng, yung hindi natin nabayan ng ticket.
Yeah.
Baka same height. Ayun yung Rogers Center, Rogers Arena.
Oh.
Doon siya nakita.
Oh my god, we're moving. What? Oh my god, so may ilaw na siya. Bakit ang ano dito? Ang
This is the first time.
ang liit ng ano ng space. Oh my god. Para akong gumagalaw na kung ano man. Magalaw ba? Magalaw. There you go.
This is like another 30 floors down south here.
Really?
Yeah.
From the one that we went
The
from?
one on the right.
Okay.
Once a girl likes you, but you don't